Hey guys, it's Paul here with Toolmetrics, and I'm excited to share some updates with you about the VetsTurn program. VetsTurn, for those of you not familiar, started about 2 years ago with the idea that I, along with a number of supporters and sponsors and friends, would provide a complete wood turning package to selected U.S. combat veterans, along with training and support, in hopes that it would be a new skill that they can develop and bring some relief to combat stresses that they've experienced. And it's been very successful. There was an article this year in Woodworkers Journal. I was thrilled when they approached me to put that together with them, and I'll put a link to that in the description down below. In the last year, we've also had more sponsors come forward to extend the program to more veterans. So I'm so excited to see this taking off. It's not my program anymore. It's a community program, and I'm excited to be a part of it. Go Poppy Designs has been unbelievable in their support of the program. They've done fundraising, created products. They did a t-shirt fundraiser, and they're extending this program to an additional veteran this year through their incredible efforts. We've got a great roster of sponsors and supporters this year, including Go Poppy Designs, tools provided by Easy Wood Tools, Nova, again, both of them coming back for the third straight year. Education, we provide online education, but we also provide some video content, which is great, from George Von Driska and Ashley Harwood, and Stitch and Turn. James over at Stitch and Turn has offered a free class to any veteran once he gets his school up and running, which he believes will be in the next year or so. And he's been very involved in the program as well in the past. We're going to have some supplies from Rockler, Wood from the Hood, Peter's Wood Wax Company, and chefware kits to really round out and give you everything that you need to get started. We've had financial support, again, to extend to additional veterans from Jerry Hudson, Rusty and Katie Wilson, Go Poppy Designs, and Go Poppy has worked with a couple restaurants in their area to do fundraisers, Preservation and Atlas Chicken Shack. So thank you to all those sponsors for supporting this program. So this year, very similar to last year, each member that is selected from the process will receive a Laguna 1216 MIDI lathe, a 3-tool set from Easy Wood Tools. Those 3 tools will allow you to turn just about anything that you can imagine. Chucks from Nova, along with their cool pen jaw set, which is a great setup. Face shield to keep your face safe. Instructional videos I mentioned from George and Ashley. Those are how I learned to turn. George's videos were my turning 1.0 experience. Starter kit of wood blanks, Wood from the Hood, hand cut by the owner himself at Wood from the Hood. It's just really moving, the generosity from those folks. Hardware kits from Chefware, so you'll get set up with your first few projects kind of in turnkey fashion from Chefware. Peter's Wood Wax will provide a couple products to each recipient, their wood wax, and then their grit, their wax with grit in it, which is kind of your final buffing compound, which is it's great stuff. I use this. I love this on Turn products, as well as other kitchen projects that I've made. Rockler has come through again with a lot of supplies, so I'll be going shopping at Rockler and loading up from their generosity and sending it out in the shipment that I'll send out to each identified member. You'll get, we'll do online instruction again this year. I'll partner up anyone that wants to, if I can find a local mentor for you, and then you'll have ongoing support from myself and others if you run into difficulty, and you'll have my cell phone number to contact me anytime. So, what are we asking of the recipients? In my opinion, not too much. No strings attached program. We ask that you commit to trying the process, coming to at least a couple of the training sessions to get you pointed in the right direction safely. And I ask that you just call me if you get stuck. Don't get frustrated. Don't give up. you can learn this. We're 8 for 8 now with the members learning to turn. It's been a very smooth process, quicker than I expected in most cases. It's just been very smooth. And then send me pictures of the stuff that you're turning, because I love to see those. Okay, so to qualify, I'm not going to read through all this. You can see it on the screen. I would point out that I am interested in exploring the idea of putting a system in a shared facility if there's someone that's a member of a veteran club that has a shared space that we could use. Process is pretty straightforward, I think, even smoother this year thanks to my wife. So I've got the application online. The link is going to be down below in the description. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. The address is below. Get your applications in by Friday, November 5th. The sooner the better. It can help me start pre-processing, going through them. And then I'll do an announcement video on Veterans Day, November 11th, which is a very fun announcement for me to be able to make. And then we'll start shipping tools. And as soon as you have tools, we'll have a little online get-together, do some orientation with the tools, and do some I'll do a basic turning demo. And then we've got Brandon from last year's recipient group that has been turning phenomenal pens, and he's going to do a pen turning class for everyone, and I'm really excited to see that, because I'm not a pen turner, but I'm interested in it. So a lot of people have asked, how can you help? Apply if you're interested and qualified for the program, obviously. And other than that, help me spread the word. Social media is a noisy place. It's hard for me to get this out to the world, so please help me with that. If you are a wood turner and are interested in mentoring someone in your community, contact me, let me know where you're based, and if we have a recipient in your area, we'll make the connection, assuming they are interested as well. And that's pretty much it. So I'm so excited that we're back to do round 3 of this. Thanks everyone for your support and believing in this program. It's just been so fun and just satisfying to see this coming to fruition, and just getting the feedback from the people as they start making things with their hands and seeing the results and the feedback from the world on that. So let me know if you have questions. Hope you'll subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thank you if you are, and watch for an update with the recipients on Veterans Day. Thanks again. Take care.